Oh, that was risky. There he goes. Nice and easy. Oh, there's the Sail Star. Honestly, I don't love that item. But also it's difficult to tell when items like that are doing things, right? I'm not when it was Drone Man, but that is kind of the only drone red we had to go on before. Wow, what a start. I'm getting a bad feeling that I missed a Tri-Shop up here. Yes, I did. That's where most of your movements becomes on this character. There was an Invis chest. No, no. We just doing this. I have Sistar. Ah! Oh my god. I shouldn't have been complaining. My bad. Won't say another word. Yeah, not upset at all. Honestly, I might just have to rip that utility large chest. Okay, I see no chest over there. Also grab the guaranteed drone that's down here. I got a jailer, nice. It's also free. And you can just walk off here and see. That's the item, and we win. That's the gold portal. Watch and an opal. Yeah. Thanks, man. Like, I didn't even use the M2 there, by the way. That was just normal damage. Like, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, that's good. No, that's good stuff. Bye, gentlemen. Sure. No, stop stealing my... The other drones are stealing my money, man. Like, asshole. Okay. I should have done the slam. I don't know what I was thinking. There we go. Perfect. Ah, that's not the high roll. I see a pillar. Pillar. Now. Die. Brigade. Oh my god. I fell off the map. Jesus Christ. I didn't realize how bad that was. Jesus. Look at the army! Hey, gun. That's... You know... Looks like it. I found him. Is there more? Oh my god, get away from me! Are they like hiding up here? What's going on, man? Where are they? Problem is... With Recycler, I kind of want to take my time on this stage. At the same time, everything else says I shouldn't take my time on this stage. I'm gonna listen to Recycler. Recycler doesn't lie to me. Got another 40. Oh, Reduced Recycler is back! Oh my god. I can be happy again. Set this up. Okay, there's worms. Oh, please don't hit me. Yeah, my frame rate's keeping up with this really well, guys. Yep. Yeah, really pleasant stuff on my screen. Nothing but the best. Oh, okay. Yep. That's kind of what I expected. Luckily enough for full sun, so. Chandelier might come in clutch here. Got him. Oh no, he dodged it, bro. What a god. Are there 2 more Magworms? Oh my god, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, let's get him up top so we can do the better circles up here. I will say this is a pretty dangerous area in general. I didn't want to have to wait. Okay. Oh, I don't even have this charge on what I'm doing. Might be able to kill that guy with just the band. Yeah, okay. Let me charge up this. Now this idiot charges at me. Okay. Or not. I don't know what he's decided to go off to. Got him. Whoa, he didn't take anywhere near as much damage as I thought he would. Okay, that's what I was worried about with doing that. There we go. ATG must have hit. What are those? Infusions? Oh my god. I feel like there's no way that's not the right choice to take all 3 of those, by the way. For 300 addiction HP. Which is nice. Drone. Sneaky, your own spot too. Alright. We do have Sail Star, which means we're gonna have to wait this stage. And I'm getting stacks. Let's go. The growth is kicking. Love to see that. And now we can start doing that. Yeah. Right. Do I just reroll both? I can get a Churf if I want. We have a... Oh, we can turn that into crits. I don't have white scrap though, and I would rather use my white scrap on quick fixes and stuff like that if I do end up getting white scrap. Oh my god, I mean... Yeah, sure, dude. Sure. Whatever, man. Egg. I will continue to take polyloots if this game will continue to give me polyloots. I mean, I don't know. Are you ready to go? I guess about that time then, yeah? I'll just use TP to get close, yeah? Seems like a good baseline. Yeah. I'll have it back, it's fine. I should pick this up. We have a Creeper on this stage. And I have Recycler. The issue, I think my biggest thing is with the scrap recipes and scrap cooking is that I don't know if that's what I want yet. Like, I haven't seen any of the stage 5 printers I get or any of the pools I get on the moon. Or if I'm even gonna get a scrapper, right? So how much scrap do I want to save if I'm not gonna get a scrapper on stage 5? I'm having some macro issues with it. Kind of a strange decision. I mean, sometimes there's runs where like those stage 5 printers are the reason I beat Mithrix. Do I want the polyloot or the band? The band might go off the map. But I do want the band. Surely I'll catch it. Alright, okay, let's go. We're definitely getting rid of the cleanup drones. Did I never grab that chest? No, that's opened. Alright, let's see how many drones I missed. None. Never did get these sticky bumps, but I'm waiting for... Do I have... What is my healing? Oh, I have a longest. Sorry. Put on the song. Actually, I should start it once I'm down there. Makes more sense. I hate this game. So apparently, it has to do with momentum. And sometimes like, there's probably just a force field in there, like some trigger. And if you're moving too fast, you just fully miss the trigger. Oh, it's fine. I'll live with it. Oh, I didn't go up. That's gonna hurt. Okay. I should have hurt a lot more. What? It's a free red scrap. I'm kidding. TC is actually probably good enough to keep nowadays, especially going into Heart, actually. It's quite good going into Heart. He does help a lot with rocks and splitting aggro and stuff like that. Okay. But you not. Right, I forgot about Lumi. Yeah. Actually, I would like some real movement speed, but it's not that big of a deal. Just to be using my spikes all the time. That's the red. Hey. Let's see. We'll see. I might reroll that. I think we just take all these. Well, I don't need the bleed. Or the attack speed, but whatever. Temp death mark, wow. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Do I want to keep the fuel cell? No, because we're not going to get any sticky bombs. Exactly, weakest false sun run. That is the perfect way to put it. First, let me do this for my beads. Oh, my beads. Because he just spits it out back at you. I gotta reroll that, that's funny. Cooking time, my favorite. So yeah, we'll definitely lose the movement speed for that, because we have the growth. No sticky bombs. It's a sad, sad world we live in, man. Yeah, let's turn all of these into... Right? Yeah. Let's do that. To keep us at 5. Can you make more of these? Yeah, but that's not actually worth... That's worth less. Right? Or is this better? What's the percentage of your max HP? So, okay. For this to be better, you would need... Wait, hold up. It actually might be better to make more steak out of this. No, because we wouldn't have enough to make quick fixes then. God. Cooking with false sun is a bit of a headache. We do need white scrap, yeah. So we wouldn't have the white scrap to do this, yeah. Let's make my Churf. Grector. If we get rid of those two. Is that worth it? No, because we actually proccing Deathmark. No, absolutely not. I would like one singular cautious lug, actually. To be honest. Let's do this. Oh! I gotta do the music. Yep. Good fight. Good fights. Do I want a laser scope? All the equipment, so let's go grab our 400th band. Which actually, it's our 7th bang. We didn't. Oh my god. Yeah, there's a card in here, bro. I'm immediately gonna be punished for this. I thought it was over. I thought we had already gotten one. No. That's pretty good. I don't know. This boss is gonna die so quickly. Ooh, give me a Murph. Please. Gone, just like that. Wow. Oh, I forgot the firework temp items. And the bungus temp items. Oh my god, I got drowned. And then just a straight up chest, huh? Wow. Didn't super matter, but I did have a recycle, so maybe it would have. Bands? Yeah, sure. Sure, I'll grab some bands. I don't think I had enough. It's a fair point. Do we have another one? Or we just have one? Oh, we have 2 more. Oh. Wonderful. Alright, now we gotta wait for all my stacks to come back, which I can do by doing. Put on MGMT. Alright. Let's do this. This should not last very long.